So what is your reaction to this, yung revisionist theory nila ngayon na martial law never happened? You're one of the
Best years of our
Well,
lives.
I can attest to the fact it wasn't the best years of our lives. Na-impress ako doon sa statement na disiplina ang kailangan and uunlad tayo pag disiplina. But I noticed na disiplinado ang tao ng martial law in a sense because they're afraid Pero they went poorer and poorer. So, hindi disiplina Ang sinasabi ng iba na, kailangan lang natin disiplina if people will follow traffic rules and follow the law. We will develop. Hindi Everybody was following the law, of course, except those in the higher-ups. Demand namin noon, i-return yung student council. Kasi banned during martial law student council. I-return yung school papers. Kasi banned ng school papers. Well, tuition fee was one of the issues too, pero they arrested us for that. And I thought, this is just, temporary thing because nang nag-torture na sila, then I realized this is something serious. 1 year ako noon, the torture went on for a year. But mga 6 days lang yon. The 2 things I noticed. One, the people were so afraid to even say, kamusta kayo? They didn't talk as if we're invisible to them. Ganon yung martial law, the fear instilled. The second point is the impunity with which it was committed. The military just didn't care. Also, alam niyong tinorture sila. Ngayon, may magagawa kayo? Parang ganon ang attitude nila. So, it wasn't a good experience for me. Kaya, yun. That's why I would not agree that martial law was good. Martial law has become parang deodorized ba? When in fact, it was one of the worst chapters in Philippine history, if not the bloodiest and one of the darkest years. When the economic development promise never happened, pero yung curtail, ang ano ng rights, yung pag violate ng rights,